Quick video on this OLIGHT weapon light. This is a very small, this is the PL-Mini 2. It's extremely bright, 600 lumens. I'll kind of show you what it looks like down here. Now you can't see that flag, now you can. All right, now this would be a defensive tool. The light itself, you don't even have to shoot any love bullets out of here. You can basically shine someone in their eyes with this light and it would probably, incapacitate them temporarily. I don't think people realize that. They think that this is just basically so you can see, but this is also a defensive tool, a flashlight, especially a flashlight that is this bright. This is 600 lumens. You have the charging port there on the bottom that charges with the magnetic attachment that they include via USB. But yeah, pretty neat. You have two options. You can do momentary on and off like that, or you can click it and it stays on. So this is the OLIGHT weapon light. Extremely small, the smallest one I've seen, which I really welcome. There's no reason to have these giant lights hanging off of your weapon. If you can still get the same amount of lumens out of a smaller light, I welcome it. It's the OLIGHT.